Welcome to Weird Science Wonders. Have you ever wondered how a whiff of freshly baked bread or blooming flowers can evoke nostalgia and deep emotion? Today we will explore the intricate and fascinating science behind the human sense of smell. The process of smelling begins in the nasal cavity, where odorants, volatile molecules from the environment, enter through the nostrils. In the upper region of the nasal cavity lies the olfactory epithelium, a specialized mucous membrane. This area contains three main types of cells: olfactory sensory neurons, supporting cells, and basal cells. Olfactory sensory neurons are the true mediators of smell. Each neuron possesses cilia, hair-like structures that extend into the mucus covering the epithelium. Embedded within these cilia are olfactory receptors, G-protein-coupled receptors specifically designed to detect odorant molecules. When an odorant molecule binds to its respective receptor, it triggers a conformational change in the receptor protein. This binding initiates a signaling cascade through the G-protein pathway, leading to the activation of adenylate cyclase, which increases cyclic AMP or CAMP levels in the neuron. The increase in CAMP opens ion channels, allowing sodium and calcium ions to flow into the neuron, resulting in depolarization. If the depolarization reaches a threshold, an action potential is generated. This action potential travels along the axon of the sensory neuron, ultimately forming the olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve fibers travel directly to the olfactory bulbs, structures located just beneath the frontal lobes of the brain. In the olfactory bulb, the sensory neurons synapse with mitral and tufted cells in structures known as glomeruli, where preliminary processing of smell information takes place. The olfactory system is closely linked to the limbic system, allowing sense to elicit immediate physiological responses, such as an increase in heart rate or a rush of adrenaline, preparing the body to react appropriately to different stimuli. Whether it's the comforting aroma of vanilla or the pungent smell of spoiled food, our olfactory senses influence our behaviors and preferences. The sense of smell is a complex and intricate interplay of biology and neuroscience, enabling us to perceive and react to our environment in profound ways. Join the conversation below. What's your favorite scent and the memory it brings? Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the senses.